When you create a business manager, you will have the ability to create ad accounts. If you do not have a business manager and you're already running ads or you are boosting posts, you will be doing this with an ad account that is connected to your personal profile. This means that all the data and everything that is associated with ad account belongs to that private profile. It means that if you have staff that are working on your accounts, any data that is obtained belongs to them. For this reason, it is really important that you create an ad account directly in your business manager. Now, every business manager has either 1 to 5 ad accounts assigned to them at the creation of their account. Now, you'll be able to find that by coming through to your business info and having a look over here. Now, I have 5 that are associated with this account, but I have noticed that more and more often I'm seeing maybe 1 or 2 that are associated with this. Don't panic. If you have multiple pages that you are trying to connect to your business manager and each of them needs an ad account, all you will need to do is get one of those ad accounts running and active. And once it is active and a payment has been made, you'll be able to apply for more ad accounts. So how do we actually add an ad account to your page? Well, the first thing that you need to know is that this is your ad account ID. So if you own a business manager and you're trying to get access to somebody else's ad account, you will need to get this ID number from them. In order to add or create an ad account to your business manager, you would go through to add. If you are adding an account, this means that you will own the ad account that is coming through to this business manager. If this happens to be your private ad account or the ad account that's linked to your private profile, I would strongly recommend that you go and create a new ad account. If you are wanting to access an ad account that is already existing in an established business manager, you will just come through to request an ad account and request that number over there, put it in, and you will have access to that account. I've quickly just jumped into a different ad account to show you how you would request that access. So request access to an ad account. Type in that ID number, give them the access that you would require them to have, and it has been added to the ad account. So if you have a look at the business manager, there's the ad account, and there are your 2 ad accounts. The one that is owned by the business manager, this one is the one that you can see it's actually owned by somebody else, which means that's where I got it from. Don't forget that you still need to do the same process of assigning people to work on it. So you would need to assign people to work on this account. And if you didn't want this account in your business manager anymore, you can simply go and remove it from your account. It'll take a few minutes for it to actually vanish from there. If you are going to create an ad account, you'll create the name. Make sure that the time zone and the currency is set right at the beginning. This is not something that you're going to be able to change down the line. So if you accidentally go and put US dollars or pounds or euro in there, that is what your ad account will be in and charge you in for the rest of time. You're able to select your payment method. So you can either select a payment method that you currently have. I have this card that is linked to this, so I could just choose that card, or I could add my payment method in later. Either way, it doesn't really matter as long as at some point it is added. So we'll go through that and say yes. What will happen is your ad account will appear here. Now, it's all fine and well to have an ad account there, but if it is not connected to any pages or it's not connected to people, no one can actually access this ad account. So what you need to do now is go through and add people. So the people that you would like to have access to your ad account need to be chosen now. So you can give them, and you can change whatever access, or you can give them whatever access you want. So I'm going to allow them to manage my ad accounts and assign. And there they are there. At any point, if I want to remove their access or change their access, at any point I can go to this drop down arrow and I can change what access I want to give them. So you'll actually need to turn off the higher access in order to give them a lower access and press save. You'll also need to assign partners. So if you do have a business partner that you're working with over here or an agency, you would need to assign your partners. So you can go through here. I can assign by my business ID, which we had earlier. I can give them their access. Now you'll notice up here I have the ability to deactivate this ad account. I will never be able to delete an ad account. Once an ad account is created, it is there forever. However, you can deactivate it, which means you won't have access to it, you won't be able to use it anymore. If you wanted to open this ad account, you would need to go to Open an Ads Manager, and your ad account will open up here. We'll be going through how to work ads in future videos. This is just the creation of ad accounts and understanding where they are and the differences between them.